Today we will learn continuity and differentiability. So first we will learn about continuity. Continuity means continuous of a function. Okay, as we learned in 11th standard, class 11, what is limit of a function, or left hand limit and right hand limit, that how to find we have studied in first year, that is class 11th. So today, before learning the definition of continuity, we will go for one example so that you will get the idea. Okay, afterwards I will tell the definition of this continuity. So that is, first example we will take. Some function is given, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the given function. At x is equal to 1, whether this function is continuous or not, we have to check. Okay, at x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, whether this function is continuous or not, we have to check. So to check this one, first we need to find some f of 1. So here f of x is there, so x is equal to 1 we are putting. So if you put x is equal to 1, here f of 1 is equal to what? 2 into 1 plus 3, which is that 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So f of 1 is equal to what? 5. So here f of 1 is equal to 5 is nothing but, we can say that this is nothing but implies value of the function, value of the function f of x at x is equal to 1. So this is the value of the function. So second thing, we need to find out the left hand limit, that is LHL, left hand limit. Okay, what to find here? Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, we need to find out here. Okay, so x tends to 1 minus 1 means x is equal to 1 is given, so x tends to 1 minus means left hand side of the 1. So for example, like this, if it is there, here it is 1 is there, means 1 minus means this side, left hand limit. Right hand limit means this side, RHL this side, and this side LHL, means left hand limit means here it is approaching from the left hand side towards 1, and from this side right hand limit means it is approaching 1 from the right hand side. Okay, so we are finding now limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Okay, so here LHL, left hand limit, which is equal to we are taking to find this one, we are put x is equal to 1 minus h. Okay, some smaller quantity from 1 we are subtracting, so that we will get the left hand limit. So LHL is equal to what? Some limit 1 minus h, because x tends to 1 minus is there, so 1 minus h tends to, this will be 1. So here it will be, what is the function here? 2 into x means 1 minus h plus 3. The function is given here like this, 2x plus 3. So I have written here limit 1 minus h, because x is equal to 1 minus h we are taking. So this will be 1 minus h tends to 1. So like this you will get. So now LHL is equal to what you will get? LHL is equal to, here it will be limit h tends to 0, because this one, if it comes this one, this one get cancels, it will be 0. So this will be 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into h is 2h plus 3. So h approaches to 0, h tends to 0 means h is not equal to 0, approximate. So this approximate h tends to 0 we will put here, so this term will become 0. So this will be, after substituting h tends to 0 here, so it will remain 2 plus 3 only. Here this 2 and this 3 will remain. Okay, so now 2 plus 3 is equal to what here? So LHL is equal to, left hand limit is equal to what? 5 you got. So this is your LHL. Similarly, third case, just we are going to find out RHL, that is right hand limit. Okay, that right hand limit means we are finding limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Correct. So to find here, put x is equal to 1 plus h. Correct. Right hand side means from right side it is approaching to 1, means here slightly plus h, 1 plus h, slightly h is greater, so smaller value will be there for h. So here it will be what? RHL, right hand limit, is equal to, here it is limit. Correct. So this is x tends to 1, f of x means what? X tends to 1, f of x means what? Here this will be limit, what is x here? 1 plus h, so it will be 1 plus h tends to 1, that is 2, 1 plus h plus 3, because 2x instead of x we are putting 1 plus h. Okay, we know the function that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 na, so instead of x f of x we have put 2x plus 3, that is instead of x 1 plus h we are taking. So what is this? Here it will be limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0 means here 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into h, 2h plus 3. So approximate proximal value, that is x tends to 0 means here if you put 0, 2 into 0, 0, so only here you will remain here RHL is equal to what is remaining? RHL is equal to 2 plus 3 you will get. So here it is 2 plus 3, so this 2 and 3, so it will be RHL is equal to 2 plus 3, here it is 5. So now you got right hand limit 5 and similarly left hand limit 5 and value of the function 5. So all three values you are getting 5. So I mean that to tell here, so by observing this one we can say that here f of 1 value of the function which is equal to, it is again limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, means left hand limit, which is equal to limit of x tends to 1 plus f of x. All three are equal. If value of the function, left hand limit and right hand limit, all three are equal, hence we can say that here hence f of x, given function f of x is 2x plus 3, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. So that here definition I can write here, definition I can tell. So what is the definition of the continuity? What is the definition of the continuity? So here you can say that definition of the continuity like this: f of x is continuous at some x is equal to c point, or you can take a also. Okay, I will take c here. So here first condition you need to find f of c. Okay, f of c, like f of 1 we found. Okay, second one is, so limit of x tends to c minus f of x, means this is left hand limit. So third one is limit of x tends to c plus f of x, means it is right hand limit. Okay, all three should be equal, all three must exist and they should be equal. Okay, so all three are equal means we can say that at a particular point x is equal to c, the function is continuous. Okay, so now I will tell the geometrical meaning of this one. Geometrical meaning of this. Okay, for f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, something that some graph is like this. Okay, graph is like this. So some point x is equal to 1 is there like this here. So at this point whether the function is continuous or not we have to check. So suppose if it is like this, some break is there, then you say that x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1 function is not continuous, it is discontinuous, but here it is continuous, no break. So continuous means what? Without break, without gap, continuously it will be there like this. Okay, continuously, no gap should be there like this, no gap should be there. Okay, so continuously it will be like this. So continuous means what? Without break, means without gap, there should not be any gap, continuously it will be like this. So here f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 or 2x plus 3, this function is continuous at x is equal to 1, means at this value, at this point x is equal to 1 we need to find. And from left hand side, from here somewhere you have to find out what? Some limit x tends to 1 minus some f of given f of x you have to find out, and from here also, from the right hand side also you have to find out limit f of x, that is nothing but x tends to 1 plus you need to find. So here limit means left hand limit and right hand limit, both it should exist. Okay, or in another way you can say that here value of the function is equal to the some limit. Okay, or you can say another definition also like this. Okay, so I hope you understood the geometrical meaning of the continuity. Okay, in another definition I can say some a function y is equal to f of x is said to be is said to be is said to be said to be said to be continuous at x is equal to a if first condition f of a exists. F of a exists means value of that function is exist. So instead of c I have taken here a. You can take a also instead of c. Okay, so suppose if I take second one, limit, so instead of x tends to c I have taken a, because in previous one I have taken c, here I have taken a here. Okay, so f of x, that function should be equal to what? F of a. This value of that function at a should be equal to the limit of the function. Then we can say that the given function is continuous. One thing you should remember, my dear students, the continuous means there should not be any gap, or without gap, without break. Okay, it should be continuous, no break should be there. Some point x is equal to 1, like here in general x is equal to a. Okay.